Hey Meta, look and tell me what kind of butterfly that is.
First, we have the RayBan Meta. Now the way to...
Hey Meta, take a picture. See that?
How are you? What you guys doing?
Just checking on you. Just hurry back when you can.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Orange Cap, where we explore tech and style. Today, we are diving into the world of smart eyewear with the RayBan Meta headliner glasses, featuring transition prescription lenses. I'll take you through the unboxing, setup, and real-world performance. Let's get started. Since we ordered the prescription lenses, on the top packet you'll get the prescription details and a certificate of authenticity from RayBan. Also, there are some instructions to package and return your item in case you want to return it. And here's the unboxing of the RayBan Meta headliner. Right out of the box, you are greeted with the sleek RayBan packaging and a leather charging case. Now this is heavier than the regular eyewear cases because it has the charging components in it. We'll take a look at what else comes in the box. You have a QR code to scan or download the RayBan Meta app for setting up your phone device. The cleaning cloth, and on the other side you have some documentation on how to get started. Here, once you open the case, a green LED is flashed showing the charging state of the glasses. These frames feel premium, though they are not that lightweight because it has a lot of electronic components added to the temples of the glasses, which makes them heavier than the regular eyewears.
Hey Meta, take a picture. See that? Hey Meta, send my last photo to Aaron. Hey babe.
Hi honey, how are you? What you guys doing?
Just checking on you. Just hurry back when you can.
You guys cooking?
Say hi to mom.
Oh my god, that's a mess. Surprise!
Okay, yes chef.
Hey Meta, look and tell me what kind of butterfly that is.
That appears to be a painted lady.
Setting up the glasses is a quick and straightforward process. Using the RayBan Meta app, you can pair the glasses via Bluetooth. You can customize your preferences and even enable voice commands. The app basically walks you through all the steps. Here, we are trying to pair the Bluetooth device with our phone, and once you click pair, it will start the activation process. We need to select a Wi-Fi network to complete the process. And once we have set up the network, the next steps are pretty much just clicking on next, next, and continuing. And now we'll experience the hands-free capabilities of this RayBan Meta smart glass. Just say, "Hey Meta, what's the tallest building in the world?" And behind your ear there is a speaker which will tell you the answer. Now the speaker's volume is so discreet that only the wearer will be able to hear it. Here's a real-world test of the Meta Headliner's camera. This footage was captured while I enjoyed the snowy day from a balcony. The 12 megapixel camera delivers impressive clarity and color, even in challenging conditions, perfect for sharing moments hands-free. We're heading out for a bit and it's really freezing, it's below freezing cold, and we'll take a real world look at what these RayBan Metas can do. Right. So I'll just say, "Hey Meta, record," and it's going to start recording whatever I'm seeing out there. And you will also get a glimpse at the transitioning of these lenses. You can literally see the lenses transitioning from clear to the G15 Green type. To give you a better idea on how the RayBan Meta headliner looks on your face, we will compare them with a couple of different types of sunglasses and eyewear to help you decide if you really want to have the RayBan Meta headliner or not. Let's take a look. First, we have the RayBan Meta. Now take the way to take this out of the case is not by pulling here, but if you slide in your finger there, you can just pull it out of the case. So that's the correct way of taking out the RayBan Meta glasses. Second, we have the RayBan Gradient, and then we have a TomFord eyeglasses. Then I have the current working Oakley Pitchman R. Okay, so this is how the Oakley looks. Then these are just simple eyeglasses. These are from TomFord. Then these are RayBan 3449. Then we have the Meta. As soon as I put them on my face, I can see some lights blinking, and this is activated the moment I put it on my face. The temple is a little bit thicker, and these glasses fit well only because I added a couple of paddings here. This did not fit my face properly originally, but when I added the padding, it fit the face properly. Here we have the RayBan logo on both sides of the temple. Then this part is actually where the connection of your RayBan with the charging case goes. So this is where the charging point of your RayBan is. And then we have two cameras. We have a small speaker and a microphone built in the temple on both sides of the temple. This is the capture button of your RayBan. I will try to see if you guys can hear the clicking when I call Meta. Okay. Hey Meta, what's the temperature outside today?
For which city?
For Cincinnati.
In Cincinnati, it is currently sunny and 14 degrees Fahrenheit.
Hey Meta, what's the current temperature in Cincinnati in Celsius?
Cincinnati, it is currently negative 10 degrees Celsius.
One other question that I would like to address here is about how the RayBan Meta charging case can be charged. So at the bottom of the case, you will see a USB-C charging port, and that port you can just plug in a USB-C charging cable, and it will indicate that the charging has started. On the other hand, how does the Meta sunglasses or eyeglasses charge with the charging case? So here you have this connector where the RayBan Metas will sit, and these two ports, they will hook up and it will start charging the eyeglasses. If you are wondering how to get your hands on these smart glasses, ordering them is a breeze. I went through glasses.com, where you can customize your lenses, including prescription options, and select your favorite style. The process is simple, and they even offer a virtual try-on feature to ensure that you get a perfect fit. Now I selected the Ray-Ban Meta headliners because that was the style I was looking for, and then we added the prescription and moved on to the Transition Gen S lenses. They also have the Transition specials. Make my selections, and here you can see the total. Even though it was coming to about $1,000, with offers and discounts that go on glasses.com, I'm getting a pretty good deal at $654. And if you sync your insurance, the cost will go even lower. So make sure to check out glasses.com for these Ray-Ban Meta. Just a disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video from glasses.com or anybody else. Overall, the Ray-Ban Meta headliner glasses are a fantastic blend of style and technology, perfect for capturing life hands-free. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what feature you are most excited about. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.